Hello everyone. Today I'm going to briefly explain you what the content of our cool paper, The Climate in Climate Economics, is all about. Economists, they use so-called integrated assessment models to study policies for mitigating climate change, such as carbon taxes. Integrated assessment models, they basically marry economic models and models of climate, so the climate models. The economic part of these integrated assessment models, they emit greenhouse gases, and the increased amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere then warms the planet. This feedback of increased emissions, gives you then a higher temperature, and this higher temperature is then predicted by the climate part of these integrated assessment models. The climate part of an integrated assessment model needs to tell us how much the planet warms for a certain amount of emissions in the atmosphere. However, we cannot use a fully fledged climate models because that would be computationally way too expensive. So we need to rely on simplified climate models, so-called emulators, to essentially tell us what is the feedback between emissions and temperature. This paper has three main contributions. The first one is that it provides a comprehensive set of tests and calibration strategies to ensure that climate emulators are fit for purpose. Item number two is we show that one of the most famous climate emulators used in economic models cannot pass the tests we propose and thus is not fit for purpose. And then the third contribution is that we show that if we apply our framework to recalibrate this famous model, the emulator can pass the physics tests, and if we then run this recalibrated emulator within a model, we show that under certain assumptions we get 1 degree less global warming than previously predicted.